Dear friends, in this video, I will show you how you can create Pinterest posts and pins, as well as create pins. If you like the video, please like it. If you want to subscribe to the channel, then subscribe. This is a step-by-step process. Let's see. First step, start by creating your own browser. Second step, go to the Pinterest.com website. Third step, log in with your Gmail account. That, friends. For number 4, you have to click on your profile. Step number 5, click on your plus button. If after that you want to create a board, then click on Create Board, and then here you have to upload your picture, your pins. You can write the title first. Here I will upload this image and show you. Let me drag and drop and show you. I dragged and dropped it. Here we will give our pin a title. I wrote in the title, Buman is paying money on shop. You can also add a description here. After adding the description, you can add a link to any website. Here I will add a link to one of my websites on Blogger and show you. I copied the link from here and pasted the link here. Now here, we will click on Create Board, and we will also create a board. And finally, the pin has been uploaded. You can see this. Hopefully, you got information from this video. If you did, then like the video. If you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. And definitely share this video with friends.